Partha Sarathi Guha, and I am done my BTech engineering in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology from Baraipur. Now I am pursuing a web development course in PHP with Laravel from Webskitters Academy. Mr. Raju Koyal is teaching me and he teaches me very well. I am very happy to do this course from here, and I am also learned a lot things by doing practical in Webskitters Academy. Thank you.
Hit like, share, subscribe, click on notification bell. If you want to join the course or want a free demo class online, get the registration link below inside the description box.